Exercise 4B. Okay. So 15th and 16th you have to solve. Okay. Solve the 15th one. So we are having two positive numbers, x and y, such that x is greater than y. If the difference of these numbers is 5, if the difference is 5, it means how we have subtracted. It is given x and y, they are the two numbers, and x is greater than y, and their difference is 5. How we have subtracted number? X minus y or y minus x?
X minus y.
X minus y, it is given in question. X minus y equal to 5. And their product is how much? 24. Product is 24. That is xy equal to 24. These two things are given to us. Okay. Find the sum of these numbers. You have to find x plus y. You can calculate it. How you can calculate x plus y? X minus y is given, x plus y you have to calculate. So which identity we are going to use?
Sir, x minus y whole square.
Okay, x minus y square whole square. So it means x plus y whole square equal to how much? X square plus y square, second identity. So, but to find the value of this, we require value of x square plus y square. And this we are going to get from the identity first. Solve it, everyone. Minus 2xy. You can calculate the value of x square plus y square from here. Calculate it, everyone. Calculate the value of x square plus y square. Calculate the value of x square plus y square. How much you have got? X square plus y square. Anyone?
Sir, 73.
73. That's right. 73. X minus y the whole square, 25. Plus 48. Understood? 73. Okay. Everyone have got the answer. Now calculate the value of x plus y the whole square. Put it here and calculate the values. So 73 plus 2 into 24. Okay, this is x plus y the whole square. How much you are getting? 8, 3, 11, 120. Okay. How much you have got?
121.
121. So what is the value of x plus y?
11.
11. You can say 11 or plus minus 11. It's root. So 11 is correct. Plus minus 11 as well. It's correct. Okay. So you will be getting 11 or plus minus 11. Minus 11.
So plus
Plus
minus
minus
11.
7.
Check it. What are the conditions given? X minus y equal to 5 and x is greater than y. Okay, x plus y, if we take minus 11, is it possible? We take the value of minus 11. We take the value of 11, x plus y equal to 11, x minus y equal to 5, 2x equal to 16, x equal to 8, y equal to 3, 8 and 3. Okay, if we take minus 11, x minus y equal to 5, x plus y equal to minus 11. If we solve 2x equal to minus 6, x equal to minus 3, minus 3, and it will be minus 8. Yes.
No, sir, but in question it is given that the numbers are positive.
They are positive. It means it will be 11 only. Okay. If they are not positive, then we can take it minus 11 as well. Okay, both are satisfying.
How we 73?
Yes, how we got 73? Okay, x minus y the whole square equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. This you have understood identity.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Okay, x minus y is how much? X minus y is how much?
5.
It's given 5. 5 square, x square plus y square minus 2. How much is xy? It's also given in question.
24.
24 into 24. Now solve it. 25 equal to x square plus y square minus 48. Take it on left hand side. 25 plus 48 equal to x square plus y square. X square plus y square equal to how much? It is 73. Understood? And x plus y, it comes out to be 11 because x and y both are positive numbers. So 11 will take. Okay? Understood? Okay, difference of their cubes. Difference of their cubes. X cube minus y cube. Which identity you will be using?
Sir, x minus y whole cube.
Okay, you can solve that as homework. Everyone. X minus y, you can solve that one as homework. X cube minus y cube. Some of their cubes as well, x square, x cube plus y cube. Okay, second and third, do as homework. If you don't get it, ask tomorrow. Clear? Okay, solve 16th one. Solve 16th one. Read the question and solve it yourself. Do it fast. Read the question first properly. If you don't understand, ask immediately. Okay, don't be shy. Do ask. Whatever doubt, small doubt, big doubt, doesn't matter. Okay, do the next one. Find the value of 2x plus y. Okay, given question is 4x square plus y square. 4x square plus y square equal to a. This is given and xy is given how much? B. We have to find the value of 2x plus y. Can you see any relation? 2x square, 4x square, y square, y square. So what we are going to use? What we are going to do with this one? 2x plus y. Its value we have to find. So how we can proceed? Anyone in class?
Sir, a plus b whole square.
Okay, we will be doing what we are going to do, 2x plus y, the whole square. How much it will be? 2x, write the proper steps. Always write the steps. Plus y square plus 2ab. 2 into 2x into y. Write the proper steps or else you are going to make mistakes. So it will be how much? 4x square plus y square plus how much? 4xy. Now put the values. We can put 4x square plus y square is a. So 2x plus y the whole square equal to a plus 4 into b. 4b. Take the root. That will give us the value of 2x plus y. Root of a plus 4b. Plus minus you want to put, you can put. Understood? It was easy question. This is clear?
Sir, how this a plus 4b came?
Okay, let you tell me. What is this?
4xy.
4xy. Okay, what is the value of 4x square? What is the value of this one? Read the question properly.
A.
A. So we have put A. What is the value of xy?
B.
B. So B is to be multiplied with 4. 4b. We
Yes,
have
sir.
got. Now, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So any doubt in 4th B, 15th, 2nd and 3rd you have to do as homework. Okay. Okay, do the exercise. Okay, any doubt you face in this exercise, ask tomorrow. Okay. Do ask tomorrow. On Sunday you have to submit. So complete it by today. Okay. So now we are starting next exercise, that is expansions of x plus minus a. This you don't have to remember. Okay. There are many identities we don't require to remember. Okay. So till now, what you have to remember? A plus B whole square. This we already remember. Okay. If it is minus sign, then okay. This if you remember, you can derive this one. Yes or no? Minus B minus 2B. Okay. Now A plus 1 upon A minus 1 upon A. Those all we can derive from them. No issues with them. Next, most beautiful one or most liked one. Okay, beautiful is it? We don't use such words. Okay, A square, because all are beautiful. A square minus B square. This should be our favorite identity. Okay, it solves most of our problems very easily if you remember this one. Okay, then we did the cube. A plus B whole cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB A plus B. And A minus B the whole cube. This we can derive from this one. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB A minus B. Okay. Rest A plus 1 upon A, those all we can derive from them. Okay. So if we don't remember, it doesn't matter. Okay. These all we have learned. Okay. Only these identities were important. If you remember first, second we can derive. This we must remember. These are okay. If you don't remember any of them, solve them, multiply them, and you will get it. Okay. So these all identities here 1, 2, 3, 4. No need to remember. Okay. So we are starting exercise 4C. Do the first question. Everyone has to do this one. X plus 8 into x plus 10. Multiply them. Do the normal multiplication. We open the bracket and do that way. Okay. No need of remembering those identities. Okay, do the normal multiplication the way we used to do. So we are having x plus 8, x plus 10. Do the multiplication. So first, if you open the bracket, x will be multiplied with this one, and x will be multiplied with this one. And in next step, 8 will be multiplied. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Do that way. Okay, that's the best way. If we get confused anywhere, use our most basic thing. How we have learned in 2nd or 3rd class to multiply the numbers. Okay. Or you can write one more step before that. X into x plus 10 plus 8 into x plus 10. This is clear. We can write it like this as well. You can solve x into, similarly here, x into x, x square plus x into 10, x10. Better we write 10x. Okay. Plus 8 into x, 8x plus 80. Understood? So how much is the answer? X square plus 18x plus 80. Understood? This is same as x into x, x square, x into 10, 10x, 8 into x, 8x, 8 into 10, 80. Okay, you can skip this step or you can use that step. Everyone do it. These are important. Second one do it. This time we have here minus sign. Everyone solve this one. Solve it. Everyone solve it. Do it in notebook. Okay,
Sir,
to get down. Yes. Anyone have doubt? Anyone have doubt? Anyone have doubt? If you have completed this, move to next one. All the 4 we are doing in class. Okay. All the 4 we are doing in class. So it will be how much? X minus 10, x minus 10. X into x, x square. X into minus 10, minus 10x. 8 into x plus x minus 80. X square, it will be how much? Minus 2x minus 80. Is it correct? Check it once with your answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do the next one. Keep doing. Okay. Keep doing. This time we have minus sign here, plus sign here. So plus 10, minus 8, plus 10. X into x, x square. X into plus 10, plus 10x. Minus 8x, minus 80. How much we got? Is this clear? Is it correct? Check with your answer, everyone. Keep doing the question. Keep doing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In mathematics, don't simply look at the board. You must have the notebook. Keep doing that notebook. And then you can check from the board. Okay. Usually in class, I rarely use the board. Only explain. Then the students keep doing the work. I just move and check the work. Okay. So next one. This time we have both minus minus. So this time x into x, x into x, x squared, x into minus 10, minus 10. Minus 8 into x, minus 8x, minus 8 into minus 10, plus 8. Okay. Have you got the same answers? Have you got the same answers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do the second one. Do the second one. Okay. See on page number 61, those expansions are given x plus a into x plus b. Those you can practice. Okay. Those you practice once. Okay. Just to have an idea, you can practice them. X plus a into x plus b, what you are getting. Just to have the idea. Okay. These questions we mainly solve this only. It will be more better. Okay. Don't remember much things. We don't, in mathematics, least we remember, that's the best thing. We should only remember how to solve. Okay. Okay, do that one. 2x minus 1 upon x. Everyone keep doing in your notebook. Keep doing in your notebook. 3x plus 2 upon x. What it is? 2 upon x. Okay. 2x minus 1 upon x. Okay. So it will be how? 2x into 3x plus 2 upon x. Because we are never going to forget the multiplication, how to multiply. So this is the most basic thing we can do. Okay. So 2x into 3x, 6x square plus 2x into 2, 4x upon x minus 3x upon x. And don't skip the steps. Minus 2 upon x square. So 6x square plus 4 minus 3 minus 2 upon x square. 6x square plus 1 minus 2 upon x square. Check one's answer. Is mine answer correct? Check with your answer. Everyone check it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it correct? Everyone have understood how to solve? Anyone who haven't understood? We'll go with the basics only, okay? This way we'll solve. Don't remember any identity. We don't want to remember much identities. This is clear? Okay. Everyone have understood? Next one. Either you want to do it now, you can do it. You have, for that only I can give you 30 seconds. Or do it afterwards, okay? One more identity we are going to add. Okay. Okay, till now we have discussed square of sum of two numbers. Okay, two variables we have taken. So till now we have discussed a plus b the whole square. What we have got? A square plus b square plus 2ab. This we have got. Now if you are having three variables, a plus b plus c, the whole square. Okay. If you don't remember this identity, we will go with the basics. That is a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. If you don't remember, we can go with this into a plus b plus c. Okay. Then a into a plus b plus c plus b into a plus b plus c plus c into a plus b plus c. Okay. Once we solve this one, okay. How much we are getting? A square plus ab plus AC, okay, plus AB plus B square plus BC plus AC plus BC plus C square. You have understood this one? Okay. Now, first I'm writing these three terms. What I'm going to get? A square plus B square plus C square. If you don't remember any identity, go with the basics. Okay. Okay, next one, plus. Okay, different colors we use. AB. So it will be how much? 2AB plus BC, 2BC. Now I don't have the color, so this is, let it be colorless. AC plus AC, 2AC. So what I have got? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 common, AB plus BC plus CA. Usually I don't remember this identity, I remember this one. This is more better. This is more better. Why this is more better? We'll see that. So A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. Okay. And how to remember this one? There's one easy way. So first square them all. We squared. We have squared them. Next, start one by one. So 2AB we have. Okay. A, B, C. AB we have written. Now write BC. 2BC. AB we have written. Now write BC. Plus 2CA or 2AC. Okay. So one AB, BC, CA or AC. Understood this one? Don't take 2 common out. See here, this is more better to remember. Understood? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB, 2BC plus 2AC. Understood? Everyone have understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll take different forms. Okay. For example, it is given A plus B minus C the whole square. What you're going to write? Here there will be some plus only because square of negative number is also a negative number. Okay. Square of any number you take, it will always be positive. Yes or no? It's going to be always positive. So A square plus B square plus C square. Now here 2AB. Both are plus 2AB. Okay. Now 2BC. B is plus but C is minus. So it will be minus 2BC. Now again 2AC. 2AC is negative minus 2AC. Understood this one, plus minus sign? It means you have to remember only this identity. If you remember this one, you can derive this one. Is this clear? Okay, next one. A minus B plus C. Now, again same. A square plus B square plus C square. Now B is negative minus 2AB. Wherever B is there, it will be negative. Plus A and C both are there. Okay, next one. A minus B minus C. A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, 2AB.
Sir,
Yes?
sir, in the second identity, you have written A square plus B square.
Yes?
Sir, fourth.
Yes, now tell me which one?
Fourth one.
Yes?
A square plus B square.
Yes.
Sir, minus sign is there in
Okay,
B.
so minus sign is with B. Minus B square. How much it is? B square? Yes or no? The square of negative number is always positive. Square of positive number is also understood this one. Instead of B, put minus B, okay? So minus B the whole square will be plus B square, yes or no? Okay. We are doing that also, A minus B the whole square. A square plus B square. It is minus B the whole square, B square. Minus 2AB. Here it is single only. Okay. This one, what will be next? Plus or minus? A is positive, B is negative. Minus 2AB. Here B and C both are negative. Negative, negative will become plus. Use this one. Negative, negative will become plus. Plus 2BC. Okay. Now 2AC. A is positive, C is negative. So it will be minus 2AC. Okay. These you all practice yourself. Okay. These you try to practice them. Okay. Understood this one? Okay, don't do the bracket one. That will little bit confuse us. This will be better. Okay, so practice them. Okay, we'll be solving questions on them tomorrow. Okay. And you have understood this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just practice them once. Okay. In this, we have to remember only this identity. Even this, we will use this one. Understood? Rest, we can put in this and we'll see the values. Like here, minus C is there, we are putting minus C. It will be square, so it will be positive. But here, the negative sign will come. Here, negative sign will come. Okay? Understood, everyone? Okay. We end the class here. Always, okay, 1 minute.